Hey friends, if you wish to set up and use Hotspot on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's the interesting thing. When we say Hotspot on Windows 11, it is not about the computer accepting the hotspot. It is about the computer becoming a hotspot and sharing its internet connection with others. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side, and you'll find this option for mobile hotspot. When you turn it on, your computer's network can be shared with others. And what would be the password and name? So these are the details. It's mentioned here. You can change it as well. You can change the password to something else, whatever you want to. Or you can ask the person to scan this connect and connect to your hotspot. And you can obviously switch it off later. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.